grand living area. So this is the part of the living area, and now this is the kitchen area where they have the entrance for the master bedroom. And once you enter, you can check. Hello everyone and welcome to Housey. Myself Jetal. And today we are here at Binary Temple Tree, which is located in Sompura, Sarjapur, Bangalore, a project developed by Binary Realty. But before starting this video, let me show you the surrounding of the project. Right now we are here on the actual land parcel of the project, and this is the marketing office of Binary Temple Tree. And now about the land parcel is right over here, which you can check out the towers as well. Now let me introduce you with Housey. So Housey is India's first real estate platform where home buyers are directly connected with the builders, thereby giving you all the bottom rate guarantee. Unlike current listing platform where if you do a single inquiry, your contact number is shared with multiple brokers, which will result in too many phone calls. Well, you no need to worry because Housey is here who connects you directly with builders. Because in Housey, the listing is done by the builders and not the broker. So book your dream home directly with builders on Housey. Now we are here to check out their 3 BHK model flat. Now let's do the project overview. So the land parcel you can check out just behind me over here, which is spread across 2.5 acres of land parcel consisting of 2 premium towers, each tower of 2 basement ground plus 8 floor, having exclusive premium 3 BHK residencies. And now about the amenities part, and this project provides you world-class amenities like a grand clubhouse, kids play area, landscape garden, pool with deck area, indoor game facility and many more amenities. Now let's discuss the location part, and the project is located exactly in Sompura, Sarjapur, South Bangalore. Let me show you the neighborhood of the project. So basically this road over the side will connect you towards Amlipura, Sarjapur road in just few meters. Now about the further connectivity and location of the project, you can connect to Prestige Forum Mall in just 300 meters. DMart is just 900 meters from the project. Sarjapur Circle is 1.3 kilometers. And even you can connect to Azim Premji University in next 3 kilometers from the project. So now this is your 3 BHK model flat of 1643 square feet super built up area. So here we start with the great entrance. And basically they are providing with 8 feet door on the main entrance of the house, and there is no dining at the living area. They are providing with the foyer area for your privacy. And once you enter, you can have a look at this grand living area. So this is the part of the living area where you can set your sofa set in front of the TV unit space. And now, there here is the connecting balcony. So connecting balcony with anti-skid flooring, toughened glass railing, and here you can check out this is 3-side covered balcony. Moving further to kitchen area, so basically here there is the open kitchen concept. So basically you can set your dining table right over here, and this open kitchen concept makes it more spacious. Even they have provided a sink area right here with the easy access to the dining area. And now this is the kitchen area where they have set a straight fitted platform. And here's the utility area with anti-skid tiles and a window for ventilation and lighting purpose. Now we'll be moving further towards your bedroom space. So basically one bedroom is right here, and this is the guest bedroom. So once you enter, you can check out the foyer area. And now this is the grand bedroom space with a bed space over here, with a connecting balcony right here. Again with anti-skid tiles, toughened glass railing, and basically this balcony will give you 2-side open view. And once you enter inside, right on my left hand side is your wardrobe space. Now we'll be moving further towards your washroom area. So basically here's the washroom area, and a bit sorry because there is an electricity issue right now over here. Now we'll be moving further towards your bedroom number 2. So your 2 bedrooms are on the one side of the house and guest bedroom on the other side. So right here is your bedroom number 2. So once you enter this bedroom, so the interior speaks out, and basically this is your beautiful kids bedroom with a bed space right here. A window for ventilation and lighting purpose. Wardrobe area, and even you can check out how the space is managed over here. Here's your study table, and there is a lot more space inside the room where your kids can enjoy and play over here. Now we'll be moving further towards your master bedroom, but before that, let me inform you with all the key features of Housey. So Housey brings you with the actual location tool, with its sample flight videos with the pros and cons of the project, payment scheme, EMI schedule, and 360-degree location tool. All this wonderful feature under Housey.com. So what are you waiting for? Schedule your free site visit by registering for free on Housey.com. And now, once you step out from this room, right in the center over here is your common washroom with anti-skid tiles and CP sanitary fittings. Now, this is the entrance for the master bedroom, and once you enter, you can check out this is the most spacious room in the house with a huge bed space right here. Here's the dressing area with a wardrobe area, a window for ventilation and lighting purpose, and with attached washroom with anti-skid tiles and CP sanitary fittings. Now, as you all know, we are here in Sarjapur location. Have you checked another project in Sarjapur? If yes, then do let me know in the comment section below. And if you are looking for more details of this project, all is mentioned in the I button. Lastly, do not forget to give a thumbs up and do follow subscribe Housey.
If you have any queries related to the project like pricing, exclusive pre-launch discounts, EOI process, brochure, or you want to do a site visit, you can click on the link mentioned in the description. Our NRI clients from UAE, US, Singapore, UK and other countries can also connect with us on the same link. At last, if you like this video and to watch more such new launch teaser videos, subscribe to our channel Housey.